Hi, One Forum News brings you the best. Please kindly subscribe to this channel. Your comments and your likes will be highly appreciated. We are going straight forward to take a look at the trial involving the murder, that is the murder of Senzo Meyiwa. Yeah, this whole case is becoming very fatiguing, but we need to be here to bring you the best about the case because we all need justice for Senzo Meyiwa. For those that may not know who Senzo Meyiwa happened to be, Senzo Meyiwa happened to be the former captain to Bafana Bafana. We are talking about the national team of South Africa. Yes, Bafana Bafana. He was the goalkeeper as well as the former captain. This gentleman was sadly killed in the home of his then girlfriend Kelly Khumalo. And for some time now, we are talking about since 2014, this case has been ongoing. And sadly, he's yet to get justice. As we speak now, about 5 people are on trial pertaining to this very case, and a lot is happening. The defense lawyers are also fighting. The new development is that now, one of the lawyers, that is defense lawyers, is of the view that his client, that is accused number 3, we are talking about one Carlos, is innocent. That's what he's saying, yes. He's suggesting to the court that his client is innocent because the DNA, they assume, or the prosecuting lawyers or witnesses or the investigators, they made the assumption or the allegation that no, the DNA conducted on the hat that was found. He's been described as a gun-wielding gentleman. Yes, that is how he was. Or he's been described as with a dreadlock, something like that, yes. And they are trying to paint a picture that he was the one that was there, or he was part of the team of people that were there before Senzo Meyiwa was murdered, or they were part. And he happened to be the gun-wielding one. All these things are all allegations. So now the court is sitting and trying to get the truth about this whole thing because Mr. A is saying this, Mr. B is also saying that. Now, the prosecuting people are now saying that no, he's the one, but the defense lawyer, that is the defense lawyer to Carlos, is of the view that no, Carlos wasn't the one because the DNA is not matching his DNA here and there because DNA was conducted on the hat that was found. You know, one thing that we should all know is once you were part of a crime or something of yours is being seen at the crime scene, you are in trouble. Whether you are the one that put it on before going there or you are not the one, that one is for the court to decide. But once something about you, your shirt, your glove, or your hat, or whatever it is, but in this case, it was his hat and the DNA was conducted. But his lawyer is now arguing that no, he wasn't the one. And you know, as a result of the back and forth, something happened in court and the lawyer was almost disrespectful towards the prosecuting sergeant. We are talking about one sergeant from the police service of South Africa. The lawyer was a bit disrespectful to the lady or whoever that the person was, and the judge have to step in. But you know already, the judge stepped in and said that no, the lawyer is not supposed to lecture the lady or the prosecuting, one of the prosecuting guys or the investigators. But the lawyer was also of the view that no, he's just doing his job, and the lady also made it clear to him that she knows what the reason why she was there or she was in court, and whatever that she's presented, she know about everything. But you know, some of us, when things like this happen, you know, everyone, one way or the other, have ever had a contact with the police. We all drive all over the place, and you know, one way or the other, police seems to be bullying you here and there. So some of us sometimes, though it's not all that good, but some of us, we feel very delighted or happy when police investigators are being cross-examined or grilled in court. Yes, that's the only time that we also see that yes, someone is above them because the person will put it to you and you have to answer whether I like it or not. You know, when they have issues with us, we the civilians or here and there or people here and there, they try to bully us all over the place. Yes, they waste your time, they delay you, whatever it is. They want you to feel that you are small. Meanwhile, they don't know your status in society. They don't care about that. No matter how less the person, once the person is in uniform, they try to misbehave towards the civilians or those that they assume to be civilians. But they forgot that it's not everybody that's a civilian. Yes, you may see someone wearing something normal, but the person may belongs to one security service or the other. That's why some of us, we are so excited when we find police in those situations that they've been bullied or drilled or treated very hardly by the lawyers, because yes, that's the only time that they know their smoothness level. That was what transpired, because by the end they just stepped in and called for truce or peace to reign, and the case went on successfully. But now what are we looking at? We are taking a look at why are they not inviting Kelly Khumalo. Yes, Kelly Khumalo, she was at the scene before this young man, Senzo Meyiwa, was murdered. Yes, that happened to be your boyfriend. And this very guy was murdered in Kelly Khumalo's home, the place of abode. But up to now, the court of South Africa is here to call on Kelly Khumalo to say whatever that happened that day. You know, they send subpoena here and there. But you know, sometimes when things like this happen, though we all argue that under democracy, we have what we call equality before the law. But to some extent, when you look at cases like this, allegedly, you can assume that no, it seems some people are more powerful than the law. Yeah, because that's what happened. Should it be that it's someone else? I know very well that by now the person may have been accosted, especially a man. I'm not trying to be misogynist or anything. But that is my observation, yes. And it's all based on allegation. Because why is it that Kelly is still there and she's not being called? Nobody is saying that Kelly is guilty, no. But it should at least be called to the dock for her to say something for us to hear. She hold the fact because she was there that night before the thing happened. She may be guilty or not guilty. That one is for the court to decide, yes. Nobody is here to prejudge or prejudice whatever will happen in the court. But at least let the police service of South Africa, as well as the justice system, call on Auntie Kelly Khumalo to testify. Yes, maybe whatever that she will say will help for the culprits or those that those that committed this heinous crime to be accosted. At least, if not for anything, she's having a child for Senzo Meyiwa, and I know very well to be in the best interest if justice is served and served correctly. So you should come out and talk. Whether she is living in fears or whatever it is, at least the system should give her some sort of protection and motivation so that she can freely talk, yes, because the facts and the absolute truth will lie with Kelly Khumalo. No matter what she presents to the court, whether good or bad, may help the case that is going on. For now, they are all doing what they have to do. Yes, all these processes are very important. They are very necessary. They need to bring in everybody so that they can cross all the dots and do the necessary things, all the T's and dot all the I's. All those things are very important. But why is Kelly Khumalo, Auntie Kelly Khumalo, not yet in the dock? We want to see her in the dock, not because we hate her or we love her, no, but we just want the fact. Because I hold the view that she may have something to say that will help this case for justice to be served. I only pity or have pity for the family of Senzo Meyiwa, because it's not easy for you to endure this long trial, yes. At the end, you give up at a point. And already we know that one of the parents of Senzo Meyiwa have died already. Whether it was as a result of grieving or whatever it is, because for your son, a breadwinner of your family, to be killed is not an easy thing. That was exactly what happened. And that is one of the parents of Senzo Meyiwa died. And this case is still dragging in court. We know that, yes, the court system sometimes can be very dragging or can take a lot of time. But this is taking so long. They should get the right people, put them in dock, question them for them. Even this will be very helpful to Auntie Kelly Khumalo herself, because I know very well that if she's able to prove her innocence, yes, we all know that no, she wasn't involved or she wasn't directly involved here and there, but she holds something that the court need to call her. We need her to be in the dock so that this case can be settled once and for all. It's getting so fatiguing that every day we need to talk about Senzo Meyiwa. Meanwhile, Senzo Meyiwa is a big guy, and if things are going like this for Senzo Meyiwa, what will happen to ordinary citizens of South Africa who are going about their daily activities and facing all manner of threats, murder, kidnapping here and there? Please, let the courts of South Africa help the situation so that Senzo Meyiwa can get justice. But the powerful people in the system, yes, they are powerful no matter who you are or whatever it is. Democracy, we have powerful people that can, invisible hands that can do a lot of things. That is not what we are saying. It's all allegation. But that's our observation. It's an allegation. But let the court system work and the police service of South Africa. She's been subpoenaed. They should find a way to get her to the court so that she can speak, for her to know where the fact lies. For the 5 people, let the courts of the justice help us so that we can all arrive at the fact and the truth about this matter. Because Senzo Meyiwa needs to get justice for him to rest and rest in perfect peace. Please, for more, kindly subscribe to this channel. For the best when it comes to crime and security, for the best when it comes to politics of Africa and historical antecedents, and anything about Africa and breaking news, we are here to break everything down for you. And we'll simplify everything and make the analysis to your understanding. Always be with us. Kindly subscribe to this channel for the best. Thank you so much. Your comments and your likes will be highly appreciated. Thank you.